All right, we got a crowd favorite right here. We got a Wildwood X Lite, heated and cooled underbelly, LED lighting, outdoor kitchen, outdoor TV. But look at this. This is why you want a Wildwood. Look at this. You get your own bedroom. Super nice. TV entertainment system. This whole couch system folds into one complete sleeper. We're gonna have some new bunk mattresses right there. But look at this. You get a nice big bathroom with another entry door, which is super handy in the summer. You get a pantry. What a beautiful kitchen. This is a very nice trailer. Wildwood. Free shipping, free delivery.